Another one of those really boring politician videos from my desk, but I decided, no, it's a pandemic. I can do it from my backyard. So everybody at the Digital Health Conference, you know what? Just want to say thank you for participating. I'm looking forward to at one point in time where we can do this in person. But really just want to say how encouraged we are here in the province of Alberta with all the different successful companies that we have coming up that are emerging. We just had Kent Imaging raise an additional $15 million this last week. So lots of good momentum. Also, I mean, take a look at what we have in the intellectual horsepower in our province of Alberta. You know, Dr. Houghton winning the Nobel Prize at the U of A. So many different startup companies that are here. You know, the amount of capacity that we've built for testing and everything else that's gone on during this pandemic, it's really highlighted the strength of the health sector that we have here in Alberta. We're also working behind the scenes. We're working with the Minister of Health, the Minister of Service Alberta, on how we can be more innovative when it comes to our data. How can we engage the health professionals out there to unlock so much value here, be a leader in this, make sure that we can, you know, save lives, bring in the technology here into our province. You know what? So just want to say thank you to everybody for everything that you're doing. Good luck with the conference here. You know what? It's a pandemic. We got to have a little bit of fun, trying to stay out of the office as much as possible, like all of you are, working from home. Again, so just thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the conference, and thank you to everybody at Alberta Innovates for pulling this all together. Talk soon.
Thank you, Minister Schweitzer, for your warm greeting and support today. And welcome to all of you joining us here this morning for our Digital Health Summit, part of our Inventures Unbound series. The COVID pandemic has opened and accelerated opportunities that either weren't possible or didn't exist a year ago. Scientists, researchers, healthcare heroes, and innovators around the world are more connected, finding solutions faster than ever. We've seen the acceleration towards virtual care, offering patients convenient and timely access to their healthcare providers. But the pandemic also challenged us to look at equal access to care in rural areas where internet access may be limited and isolation contributes to other issues such as mental care concerns. Digital and data-enabled technologies are allowing the development of patient-focused solutions. At Alberta Innovates, we've already been heading in that direction, shifting from the traditional methods of providing health to new models of care, enabled by innovation and your great ideas. We want to help put health into the hands of the people while creating and supporting a vibrant digital healthcare sector in business in Alberta. Indeed, here in Alberta, with 40% of the provincial budget spent on healthcare, a focus on digital health can help reduce rising costs while creating economic opportunities and positively impacting Alberta and the world. In fact, by the year 2024, the global digital health market is poised to grow to $207 billion US. Yes, $207 billion, an increase from today of about 20%. We can all be part of this growth. We want to harness the ingenuity of innovators and entrepreneurs who are developing and commercializing digital technologies through a more coordinated, community-based approach. That's why we're presenting this morning's session, to challenge you to think about the needs 2020 has revealed, how social conditions impact health, how that will improve patient outcomes, reduce cost, improve overall personnel health and wellness. We have several exceptional speakers today, starting with Heather Chalmers through to our most recent Nobel Prize winner, Michael Houghton, and concluding with Tim Murphy, our very own Vice President of Health at Alberta Innovates, who is leading our digital health strategy. I hope you'll find some insights and be inspired by what's possible. So now I'd like to introduce you to Heather Chalmers. Heather is not only the President and CEO of GE Canada, but she's also the President of GE Healthcare Canada. More importantly, she has been voted one of the 2020 Women Leaders in Digital Health. She's focused on digital innovation and introducing transformative technologies in the healthcare sector. This is why we're so incredibly pleased that she could be with us today, sharing some of her insights into healthcare's digital future. And here, please join me today in welcoming Heather Chalmers.
Good morning, good afternoon. I am so pleased to have the opportunity